Okay, so now the tension is good. It's time to lube the chain. So Mr. Spitfire, you did a call out to a challenge. How do I lubricate and wash my chain? And so it's just an helper. Okay, all of this is involved on the chain care. Yep. Cleaning the floor is always important. Lubricating other parts too. This one you dismiss an introduction, so for later. And this one we won't be needing to. We got to this one. Well, I just bought this one. It's a chain lube, synthetic with high resistance factor, but this one is a racing chaining lube. So this is for normal use, and this is for high temperatures summer. So since Saturday I'm doing a chip, and it will be doing a pretty good weather, I'm using this one. Why don't I clean the chain? I never clean the chain. Never. I only clean the chain if there's big boulders or a lot of sand or mud, because in a natural way I don't clean the chain. The chain has a natural way of cleaning itself, and since it is a O-ring chain, the lubrication is already inside, so this will prevent the chain from getting more temperature. It's really not lubricating the chain. The links get the lubrication from factory. It's inside those little O-rings, so we only have to prevent that the O-rings get wasted. And temperature kills O-rings, and sand is very important. So if I go off-road, I usually try to wash and give just a little bit of wash, just to take the big stuff. But then you don't need it, so I'll be just putting the lube on the chain. It's that easy. You don't need that much of a cleaning with a mop. And I see some guys cleaning the chain into a point that they are only damaging the O-rings. See, and using products that are nasty to the chain. This chain has 8,000 kilometers on it, and she's new. She has practically no slack and no noises, no nothing. She's new. If she does 20,000 kilometers, I'll be happy to do that on a chain and sprockets and stuff. So it doesn't matter, it lasts the same. What does matter is the inside of the O-rings. That's where the real lubrication is. Okay, here we go. And I think it covers pretty much the whole length of the chain. Okay, this is more than enough. The chain is lubed, and now I shall let the chain sit on the products for about half an hour, and then I'll take it for a ride just to get some temperature on, and then she rests till tomorrow. So Mr. Spitfire, it's not that much of a fuss. It's easy. I've been doing this for 25 years, and I have never done anything different that would make the chain last more than it should. And the way of cleaning the chain, well, if you go off-road on a very muddy section with sands and stuff, okay, you have to give it a wash before giving the love. But that's it. On a normal use on the road, and so come on, don't be a picky. Don't waste your time. You're not doing anything that much better to the chain. It stays pretty, yes it stays. The sprocket stays nice and all clean up, yes it stays. Well, the bike serves me, not me. I'm not serving the bike. The bike has to serve me. So, see you around. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.